Good morning, students. In our previous video, we have discussed our exercise 5.7 till question number 8. And today we will continue with the same exercise. Okay, students, let's start with question number 9. In question number 9, they have given Rasmi found a bag of money and she decided to give half money to her best friend. Then after 1/4 of the money to her sister, 1/8 of the money to her brother and 1/16 money to her dad, and amount of the money left was rupees 125. So students, we have to find out total money in bag when she found this bag. So let's start our question. So first of all, here we will assume that let money in bag then we assume this one X, okay, and she decided to give her best friend. Here we will write money give money given to first best friend, sister, brother, and then dad. Okay, student. So she gives half of X, half of total to best friend. Then after 1/4 of X to sister. Then 1/8 of X, that's 1/8 of total money to brother, and 1/16 of X to father. So first of all, students, we have to find out the total proportion money that she has given to the family members. So first, total fraction given. To find the total, because all this part of X, so we will do 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8 and plus 1/16. So if we take the LCM, this one, let's see the LCM. 2, 4, 8, 16. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. 2 1, 2 and 4. Then 2, 1 and 2, and then last 2. So students, from here we get the LCM 16. What is the LCM? 16. So here we will write LCM 16. So write LCM as a common denominator. 2 8 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16, and 16 1 ja 16. So 8 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15/16 of X. Then 15/16 of total she given to their best friend, brother, sister and father. So the money left. So here we will write, students, money left. Total money was X, then minus 15/16 of X is rupees 125. If we subtract this much given amount from the total, then money left rupees 125. Take the LCM 16. 16 multiply with X, 16X, and 16 1 is 16, 15X. Then rupees 125. 16 minus 15. That's mean X by 16, 125, and then total money X is 125 multiplied by 16. How? Because any number, if left side of the fraction is divide, after convert to the right side, it will be multiply. So 125 multiplied by 16, then 16 5 ja 88, 16 2 ja 32 plus 8 40, then 16 1 ja 16 plus 4 20. So how much rupees she found in bag? That is rupees 2000. So students, she found in bag rupees 2000, and out of 2000 she given to best friend, sister, brother and her father. Okay students, now move to the next question. That is our question number 10. In question number 10, they have given a milkman sold milk 12 1/2 liter of milk on Monday, 10 3 by liter on Tuesday, and 11 1/4 liter on Wednesday, and 15 5/8 liter on Thursday. So students, you have to find out total milk sold by milkman in these 4 days. So when the word total comes, that means we have to do addition. So let's see how to do. Question number 10. Total milk sold in 4 days. So first Monday, then after Tuesday, then after Wednesday and Thursday. These 4 days that person sold milk. So Monday is 12 1/2, Tuesday 10 3/4, Tuesday, then Wednesday 11 1/4, and Thursday, that is 15 5/8. These all fractions given in the form of liter. Okay, let me check again the digit. 12 1/2, 10 3/4, 11 1/4, and 15 5/8. Now we have to find out the total milk sold by milkman in 4 days. So 12 2 are 24 plus 1, 25/2 liter. From here, convert in improper fraction. 10 4 are 40 plus 3. So in here we will get 43/4 liter. Okay students, and then after 11 4 are 44 plus 1, 45/4 liter, and at the end 15 8 are 120, 120 plus 5, 125/8 liter. So now after that we will find total milk sold. So to find the total milk sold, we have to add this one, 25/2 plus 43/4 plus 45/4, and at the end 125/8. Okay student, now this is simple. Which fraction? We can say these are simple unlike fractions. So first of all we have to take LCM. So here if we take the LCM, LCM is 8. What is LCM? 8. Now take LCM as a common denominator. 2 4 ja 8, 25 4 ja 100. 4 2 ja 8, 43 2 ja 86. 4 2 ja 8, 45 2 ja 90. And 8 1 ja 8, 125 1 ja 125. Okay students, now then after add this one, 100 plus 86, 186, 186 plus 90, 6 7 2, 276 plus 125, 6 plus 5 11, 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10, 2 3 4. Now 401/8. So we can write 8 5s are 40. Then 1 is not possible to divide, 0. Now answer is 51/8 liter milk that milkman sold in all these 4 days. Okay students, so it's a very easy question. What we did in this question, first we add the all days milk that sold by the milkman, and then after we have done the calculation and find out the answer. Okay students, now let's move to the next question. Question number 11. Okay students, now in question number 11 they told a vegetable seller had 15 kg of potatoes, 11/1 2 kg of onion, 13 3/4 kg of ladyfingers, 12 7/8 kg of brinjal, and 2 1/2 kg of lemons in the morning. But evening when we return home, 5/8 kg vegetable left, and we have to find out how much vegetable sold by that vegetable seller in whole day. So in this question, first we add all the weight of the vegetable, then subtract whatever the left, and in this way we find the total money sold by vegetable seller. Okay, so let's see question number 11. So here we will write first weight of vegetable. A vegetable seller have had first of all potatoes, that is 15 kg. Then after onion, 11 1/2 kg. After that ladyfinger, ladyfingers is 12 7/8. And brinjal, which means 15 kg, 11 1/2 onion, and this ladyfinger is, that is 13 3/4. 13 3/4. And then after brinjal, brinjal is 12 7/8 kg. And lemon, lemon is 2 1/2 kg. And we have to find out total weight. Let me check first. 15 kg, 11 1/2, 13 3/4, 12 7/8, and 2 1/2. So student, first of all we have to find out total weight of vegetable. So here we will write total weight of vegetable. Okay, to find the total weight, first we add this one. So here is 15 kg as it is. 11 1/2. 11 2 ja 22. 22 plus 1 23. 23/2 kg. Then after 13. 13 4 ja 52. 52 plus 3 55. Okay, and here 12 8 ja 96. 96 plus 7 103/8. Let me check again. Yes, correct. Then 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 5. 5/2 kg. Now we have to find the total one. So we do the addition. 15 plus 23/2 plus 55/4 plus 103/8 plus and 5/2. So first of all take LCM. If we take the LCM, LCM will be 8. So take LCM as a common denominator. Here 8 divided by 1. So 8 only. 15 8 ja 120 plus 2 4 ja 8. Okay students, 2 4 ja 8, 23 4 ja 92. Let me check. Yes, 92. Yes, is it correct? Then after 4 2 ja 8, 55 2 ja 110, 8 1 ja 8, 103, and 2 4 ja 8. That's mean 5 4 ja 20. This is the total. And then do the total one. 120 plus 92. That's mean 2, 9, 10, 11 and 212. Then plus 110. That's mean 322. Then plus 103. That's mean 425. And at the end 20. That's mean 445 kg by 8. This much amount, this much total vegetable sold by that vegetable vendor. Okay student, this is the total vegetable sold by that vegetable vendor. Now then after vegetable left, how much vegetable left at the end with that vegetable vendor? That is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 kg. Then vegetable sold. So 445 by 8 minus 5 8 40, 40 plus 5, 45 by 8. If we take the LCM, common denominator 8, 445 minus 45, that's mean 400 by 8. 408, if we, is it possible to cancel out? So it, when we cancel it by, then it will get for 50 kg total vegetables sold by vegetable vendor during the whole day. Okay students, so this is our question number 11. What we did in question, in this question they have given a vegetable vendor having this much vegetable in the starting of the day, and end of the day the vegetable left with him 5 by 8. So what we did in this question, first we add the total vegetable the vendor had, and then after the left vegetable subtract from the total, then we get the total vegetable sold by a vegetable vendor during the whole day. Okay, now then after move to the next question. Okay, now our next question is question number 12. In question number 12, they have given the outlines of a bulletin board was decorated with the different color of ribbon. Sankaran used 2 by 3 meter of blue ribbon, then green ribbon and red ribbon. How much length of the ribbon used? So students, same question. In this also you have to find the total length of the ribbon. So you will add blue, green and red. Okay, and then after find the total one. So I am going to give you a hint, and this question you have to solve by yourself. This is the question number 12. The total ribbon length of ribbons. First one is blue, then green and red. The blue ribbon is 2 3 by 4 meter. Then after 3 1 by 2 meter green and 8 1 by 3 meter red. So total length, that's mean we have to add this all three. So 2 3 by 4 plus 3 1 by 2 and 8 1 by 3. Students, you have to add this one and find out the answer. So this question you have to solve by yourself, because this type of the same question, so many questions we have done, and easily you can find this one. Now let's move to the last question of this exercise and last question of the chapter. That is question number 13. In question number 13, they have given Raman bought 2 cakes. One is chocolate and one is vanilla. Okay, 2 cake Varun brought, and they divide chocolate cake in 8 equal parts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So they divide in 8 equal parts, and vanilla they divide in 6 equal parts. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. And out of this they used 5 by 8. Okay, they used 5 by 8, and from vanilla they used 3 by 6 because 3 pieces they have used. Okay students, I repeat again. In this they have used 5 parts of this chocolate. Okay, chocolate cake, and 3 parts of this vanilla cake. So cake left, how much left? If they used 5, so from here 3 pieces. So we will write here 3 by 8, and then plus vanilla also 3 pieces. 3 by 6. Okay. Now then we have to find out in this question how much total cake left. So we have to add this one. If we find the LCM of 8 and 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, so 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. LCM is 24. 8 3 is 24, 3 3 is 9. 6 4 is 24, 4 3 is 12. And it will be 21 by 24. And if we cancel out this one by 3, 3 7 is 21, 3 8 is 24. So total 7 by 8 portion of 2 cakes left. So it's very easy question, friends. Simple, they have given the cake and divided into the pieces, how much pieces they have consumed and how much pieces left, and we have to find out the total cake left. Okay. So now today, students, we have finished our chapter number 5, and students, you have to make a PDF file of your homework. Means you have to make a PDF file of your full chapter 5, whatever you have done in register, and send to me on my personal number, this one. This is your homework. For today, this much only. Thank you, students.